Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. So in this video, I'll discuss about LifterLMS course and membership catalog visibility and search visibility settings. So LifterLMS course and membership visibility settings let you customize how courses and memberships appear in the course catalog or the membership catalog and the search result on a LifterLMS website. For example, here is my course catalog page and I have a course, LifterLMS Quick Start course. For example, maybe somehow I don't want that this course will be visible on the course catalog page, so we can do that. Or somehow maybe we want that this will be available on the course catalog page, but user cannot search it on the website. So in LifterLMS, we have varieties of options for the visibility settings. So first, we will see that which options are available and in LifterLMS search visibility settings. So first of all, we have to visit our dashboard, and in this video, I will work with LifterLMS Quick Start course. So I have to visit that course backend. So here is the course. I have to click on edit so that I can control the visibility settings for this course. So here you can see that here is my LifterLMS Quick Start course backend. So on the right side, you can see we have catalog and search visibility that's selected to visible. That's the reason the course is visible on the catalog and also on the search result. So if I show you that, you can see this LifterLMS Quick Start course is visible on my course catalog page, and now I also can search for this course. For LifterLMS Quick Start course. So here is the search result. So this course is available on the search result and on the course catalog. So now if we choose catalog only option, that means this course will available only on catalog, not on the search result. So I will make sure, so if I refresh it, so here you can see the course is available on the catalog, but if I search for it, oops, I think I didn't update it properly. So I have to make sure that I have updated it properly. So I will update it again. So we have to always make sure that we have updated. So if I now search for it, see, now the course is not available on the search result, but the course is available only on the catalog. So now if we see another option, that is search only, that means the course will not be visible on the catalog, but will be visible on the search result. So if we update it, now if I visit my courses page and refresh it, so here you can see the LifterLMS Quick Start course is not available on the course catalog page, but if I search for it, I will get it. So here is the search result. So it's available on the search result, but not on the course catalog. So now if we see another option, that is hidden. So hidden, that means it will not be available on the course catalog page, also not on the LifterLMS website search options. Search for it, refresh it. See, I don't have the LifterLMS Quick Start course on my course catalog page, and if I search on my website, I will not get that. So here you can see it's not available. So, but if we copy the course link and if we open on this on a private window, so here you can see the course result actually working, but it's only not available on the course catalog and website search result. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.